Hello everybody, in this video I'd like to show you how you can add or match bank transaction inside the QBO. So all you need is to just go to the banking transaction and click on banking transaction, and in the banking transaction you can see that there are three banks account that are available for us. One is checking account, second is saving, and the third is master account. And as you can guys see here, there is a different number, like here 25, here 1, here is 7. So these are transaction that are waiting for our review. So let's say in the checking account we have 25 transaction that are waiting for our review, and in the saving account, if you click on that, you can see that there is only one transaction, and under MasterCard we have 7 transaction. So let's go to the first one, or let's say we wanna add this transaction inside the QBO. This is a new transaction for QuickBook, so he doesn't know what to do. So he put this transaction in uncategorized income. We just categorize this transaction. Let's say we wanna add this transaction. So all you need is to just click on anywhere on the line, and here you can see that there are three options that are available. One is categorize, second is find match, and the third is record as a transfer. In find match, let's say we already have put some relevant transaction inside the QBO. So all we need is to just match this transaction to that one, and in the record as a transfer we just transfer this transaction between two account. Let's say we wanna categorize this transaction. So in the vendor and customer box you just select your vendor or customer. Let's say our customer is this, and we categorize this transaction to, let's say we wanna fix this transaction for sales of product income. We click on that, and if you have any tags or memo, you can write those tag and memo here, and if you have any attachment you can attach those file here. And if you want to create a rule, let's say you create a rule, the rule is when every next time when this transaction occur, books by buys, so QuickBook will automatically send to the transaction into the sales of product income. So you can, and here you can see that we have an option like split. Before ending this transaction, we wanna look at this how it is done. You just click on split. So in the split transaction we can divide our transaction into two different account, and we can split our transaction, and we can send our transaction one part in different account, and we send our remaining part to the different account. We can do that here, and if we have any attachment and memo, we can also do that. And once everything is done, you just click on apply and accept, and after all you just click on add. Transaction categorized, and as you can see that this the first transaction is recorded in the QBO. So this is how you can add or match a transaction that is waiting for reviewers inside the QBO. So I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. Take care of yourself. I'll be see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.